We need that. There you go. Now watch. Okay.
Nikki
and Didi.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel Nikki and
Didi.
So today we are going to be doing a science experiment. We are going to be making tornadoes. All you need to make this tornado is one empty bottle and one that's almost full, not full, but almost full. And you'll need a vortex connector and some lamp oil. First, we need the funnel. You can go after me. Okay. And we need to slowly put the lamp oil.
Wow.
I'm going to do the same for Didi.
I can do it.
Ooh, this looks cool.
Okay.
You're done. Now it's time to attach our vortex connectors. I'm going to just screw mine on. I think Didi can do it herself. Okay, it's really tight on. Didi. Okay, now you see this empty bottle. You're going to put that empty bottle on top and attach it nicely. Let's see if it's tight enough. I'm just going to keep going until it's extra tight and it won't move anymore. Okay, I'm going to do that. Didi, shall I help you? Okay. Let's go. Hold the bottle at the bottom. At the bottom. Flip it over nicely. Shake the middle. You can see that little tiny spiral. That is our tornado. But it looks better if you're really here with us. It looks like a real tornado. Thanks for watching.